Good morning guys, it's Nevada. Welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be a vlog. It's about 9 o'clock right now, 9:30, because I got back around midnight last night. I should have slept in longer, but I basically am working nights, so I don't go in till 4 o'clock today, so I kind of had the day to run errands. My goal is to just get started with being healthier. I have been eating such junk lately, and I've been using Navly, the licensing exam, as an excuse, and I mean that's been over for a week now, so it's my excuse. So I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and buy just more wholesome, healthy foods. So right now I'm just gonna walk Django, just my normal morning routine, and I need to start meal prepping. So basically I have to go to the farm on Sunday for the next rotation, and I don't know if I explained it before, but I hate going to the farm, and it's also just in the middle of nowhere, and we stay at dorms and everyone has a shared kitchen, shared bathrooms. It's horrible. At the farm, the shift is from like 5 a.m. to like 6, 7 p.m. So there's barely any time to work out there. Maybe go for a run on the property, but that's pretty much it. So I pretty much know I'm not gonna work out for the next 2 weeks, so I kind of don't feel like starting for the last 3 days. So my main goal is to just get my eating back on the right track, and then later on when I feel like it, I can get back into working out. Someone in my last video was like, "Why is your neck swollen? Are you okay?" And I wanted to comment and be like, "Nah man, I've just gotten fat." But listen, I'm gonna get back into eating healthy, and you guys are responsible for holding me accountable, but that's where we are. All right, so I'm gonna take Django on a walk. It is so cold outside. I'm gonna be listening to My Favorite Murder, which I'm obsessed with, so thank you for getting me into it. And then Django has his little coat on. Hi Django. Are you the most handsome boy? I did want to show you guys. These are kind of like vegan, basically synthetic material snow boots that I got off of Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box below. And they're kind of dupes for like the LL Bean duck boots, but those are made out of animal material. But these are completely synthetic. If you're looking for snow boots, these are super cute, and I think they were like under 60 bucks or something. So I will leave those in the description box down below, and I'm gonna go take them on a walk. So I'm gonna be making potato fries, which I literally make in every video. I'm telling you, this is like my staple food, snack, anything. It's so healthy and it's so satisfying, and I'm obsessed with potatoes. But I got an air fryer, which has made a world of a difference as far as cooking fries, seitan nuggets, anything that you would like initially throw in a toaster oven or oven, I cook in my air fryer. If you have frozen treats like dumplings or nuggets or soy meatballs or things like that, throw those in the air fryer. This air fryer has been amazing, and basically it makes everything healthier because you have to use like not even half the amount of oil that you would usually use if you were gonna throw something like the fries in an oven or toaster oven. So this isn't sponsored or anything like that, but it's just an affiliate link. So if you want to check out the air fryer, please look in the description box below. The brand is COSORI. I also have an Instant Pot from the same brand, and it's just an amazing product, and it's a little bit cheaper than some of the other ones out there on the market right now. They sell on Amazon, so it's like fast shipping and all that good stuff. So using the air fryer, I don't actually even have to use like full-on oil, you know, a teaspoon or whatever. I can just use a spray and just kind of really quickly spray the potato fries, and that's all the oil it needs to cook to, you know, like a crispy finish. Basically, the air fryer just gives you like a deep fried kind of taste, but it is so much healthier, barely using any oil at all. This is the 21 seasoning from Trader Joe's, and I just sprinkle a generous amount of this along with the Trader Joe's garlic salt, which also has some other good stuff in it. And then because I need a little bit of a kick, I'll just add some cayenne pepper. Turn the air fryer on. You can preheat it, you don't have to preheat it, but it always turns out better, at least fries do. They get crispier when you preheat it. So I'm gonna preheat for 5 minutes, and then I will throw these into the little bin after it's preheated. There's actually a fries button right there, so you can just click that and it tells you to kind of shake it halfway through cooking. But I often find that it actually cooks faster than the allotted time for the fries, so I just check on it after like 8 minutes. Which, by the way, is so much shorter than how long it would take me to cook fries in the oven. Usually if I cook fries in the oven, I boil them first to get them a little bit soft, and then season them and throw them in the oven for like 25, 30, 35 minutes to get that like right crispiness, and the air fryer does it in under 15 minutes. So if you're interested in checking out COSORI, the link will be in the description box below for the air fryer. Hey guys, I just got back from Trader Joe's. It's 3:15, so as you can tell, I'm very late. I wanted to go over the things I bought, but I don't think I'm gonna have time to do that. But basically, I bought all these things to essentially meal prep in the next 2 days before I head out to the farm, because I'm gonna be living in a dorm, so I just kind of want to have everything prepped and ready to go, especially because the hours are so long. I don't really have time to cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so whatever I can make beforehand and just store in the fridge, reheat, and eat is best. My plan is like rice bowls, salads with rice, like Buddha bowl types of things, wraps, sandwiches for breakfast, overnight oats. I got vegan yogurt, so yogurt with granola and fruits. And then for dinner, probably just a combination of rice, stir-fried veggies. I got tofu that I'll probably marinate in the next day or two and cook that to have like on the side with rice and veggies. And then like a frozen meal or two. And then I got some snacks, chips and salsa, hummus to eat with anything, everything, bananas, some cookies, and then sparkling water because life. I'm gonna walk Django for the night, hopefully, have him pee and poop so that I don't have to take him on a long walk when I get back after midnight. And then I'm gonna feed him half his dinner now so that he's not super hungry, and then half after I get back, hopefully around like 12:30, 1 a.m. Hey guys, as you guys can see, I came back super late last night. Around 1:30 was around when I had come home and showered and walked Django. It is Friday morning right now, and I am going to meal prep. Hopefully later in the afternoon take a nap, because my shift tonight is from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. and I need to sleep in order to be able to work overnight and stay up overnight. The schedule sucks so much. I love the rotation. ES is just amazing. We see so many things, but if you're a resident or you're an actual senior clinician, you kind of have more consistency with your schedule, so you can do like either just all overnights, or like the residents get 5 weeks of overnights where there's no discrepancy. But when you're a student, no one really cares about you, so I have like random days followed by overnights, followed by more day shifts, so just me being able to stay up or get my body into a pattern is not happening. So that's the only struggle with this rotation, is just me trying to stay alive. So the majority of what I'm gonna prep right now is going to be all the little fixings for my rice bowls and my grain bowls. I am going to fast forward through everything and probably be listening to My Favorite Murder. Basically, I'm gonna be making like sauteed broccoli, sauteed mushrooms, roasted potatoes, about parsnips that I want to cook, and just like a variety of things I can add on to my rice bowl. It would probably be a base of either quinoa or rice, greens on top, so kale, spinach, and then like potatoes, broccoli, beans of some sort, probably just canned beans, and then fresh ingredients, probably like tomatoes, cucumbers, drizzle some salad dressing on top, or Trader Joe's has that amazing garlic dip thing that I like mix up and use that. Little hummus on the side. Let's get into it. Okay, it's been like 2 hours since I started cooking. I think grain bowls, like rice bowls, they're called Buddha bowls. Not sure why, but I think they're so yummy and you can literally put anything in them and they're delicious, and it's kind of like a salad but not empty the way a normal salad is. So it just takes a lot of prep work, but if you do it all in advance, then it literally makes like several bowls for several meals. So that's my plan. I also made some like beans and ground beef with peppers and onions for like a burrito bowl type of thing. Closer to when I leave, I'm gonna make a guacamole with avocado, chopped tomatoes, corn, onions, and tons of garlic. I have store-bought salsa, so that'll be like a different type of bowl that I'll eat. I think I might be done for today. I think I might do the rest of it tomorrow, but I'm not gonna film any of that. And right now I'm hungry, so I have some yogurt that I got from Trader Joe's that I'm gonna eat with like fruits and granola and coconut and stuff like that. So I'll show you guys that.